Hello and welcome to the beautiful 1 BHK with 2 bathroom. Look at the beautiful city view, the living room area, open kitchen, the master bed with beautiful 3-sided city view. A huge cabinet and also the place for the TV. Attached washroom. Everything is neat and clean and tiled flooring. Wooden flooring in the rooms. In the room, and this is the second washroom, which is the guest washroom. Then again the city view. Kitchen is with all the appliances attached. Apartment is fully furnished and centrally air conditioned. And the balcony at the end. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.